Hey traders, welcome back to Market Pulse Insights. Today, we are diving into a game-changing announcement from SEBI that's set to shake up the F&O market. The regulator is introducing a 6-step framework aimed at curbing the high risks in futures and options trading. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, these updates are crucial to your trading strategy. From increasing the contract size to 15 lakh rupees to limiting weekly expiries, SEBI is making bold moves. We'll cover each of these steps, including the mandatory upfront collection of option premiums and new intraday monitoring rules. Plus, SEBI's study reveals some shocking numbers on retail traders' losses. Find out why these changes are needed now more than ever. 1. Upfront collection of option premium from options buyers in order to avoid any undue intraday leverage to the end client, and to discourage any practice of allowing any positions beyond the collateral at the end client level, it has been decided to mandate the collection of options premium upfront from option buyers by the trading member, TM, clearing member, CM. This rule comes into effect from February 1, 2025. 2. Removal of calendar spread treatment on expiry day. Given the relatively large volumes witnessed on the expiry day vis-à-vis future expiry days, and the enhanced basis risk that it represents, it has been decided that the benefit of offsetting positions across different expiries, calendar spread, shall not be available on the day of expiry for contract. This rule comes into effect from February 1, 2025. 3. Intraday monitoring of position limits. SEBI had instructed stock exchanges to monitor existing position limits for equity index derivatives, as there is a risk of positions being created beyond permissible limits amid huge volumes on expiry day. For this purpose, stock exchanges shall consider minimum 4 position snapshots during the day. The number of snapshots may be decided by the respective stock exchanges subject to a minimum of 4 snapshots in a day. The regulator S. 4. Contract size for index derivatives. With effect from November 20, 2024, SEBI has increased the minimum contract size for index futures and options from Rs 510 lakh currently to 15 lakh rupees at the time of its introduction in the market. Further, the lot size shall be fixed in such a manner that the contract value of the derivative on the day of review is within 15 lakh rupees to 20 lakh rupees, the regulator said. 5. Limiting weekly index expiry to 1 per exchange. The Lal Street will get rid of the 1 expiry a day phenomenon, which has been blamed for increasing the speculative activity in the market. To solve the problem of excessive trading in index derivatives on expiry day, it has been decided to rationalize index derivatives products offered by exchanges which expire on a weekly basis. With effect from November 20, 2024, weekly derivatives contracts would only be available on 6. Increase in tail risk coverage on the day of options expiry. Given the heightened speculative activity around options positions and the attendant risks, SEBI has decided to increase the tail risk coverage by levying an additional ELM, extreme loss margin, of 2% for short options contracts. Stay tuned as we break down each rule, its impact on your trades, and how you can adapt before the new regulations roll out starting November 2024. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our expert analysis on these major market reforms.